Hi everyone and welcome to Salmond. My name is Sarah and today I'll be making a Halloween door hanger that screams you are not welcome here. Of course it's all in good fun. This unwelcome sign cost me only $1 as I had everything I used except the sign, which I picked up at Dollar Tree. If you like what you see here, please be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button below. If you know anyone that would like this video or my channel, please share this link because every view and every subscriber helps enable me to keep creating videos for you. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram, I am Salmond_says. You can see what I'm up to on my channel as well as a bit of my personal life and our home. If you would like to join my Facebook group, it is Salmond. I would love to see your crafts and hear all the great things you have to say about each other's projects. I hope to see you there.
Hi guys, today I'm going to take this plastic sign I picked up at Dollar Tree. It was meant to be a yard sign, but to be honest, these stakes are like really flimsy. I don't know how you'd even get that into a yard, at least not here with our clay soil. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to trim these off and I'm going to make a door hanging out of this. I think this would be adorable hanging on the front door for Halloween. Danger, keep out. So I'm going to go ahead and repaint it so that it looks like wood and not plastic. So this is just a quick and easy project, so let's go ahead and get started.
I have to say I was really surprised with how easily and cleanly those legs came off of the sign, and it really, when you look at the bottom there, unless you're looking directly at the bottom, you cannot even tell that there was ever anything there. So I was really pleased with the way that step turned out.
Now I've pulled out several colors of Waverly chalk paint I'm going to be using on the sign. I have my hazelnut, cashew, elephant, ink, and crimson, as well as my white wax, which is a folk art color, and I'm going to be using these to give this a little bit of dimension, a little bit of realism to it, so it looks like an old painted wood sign. Now I'm going to go in with some of the ink chalk paint, and then I'm going to go back over with elephant and cashew. I'm just going to do a dry brush on this. There will be actually, I think I'm just going to use out of the lid here. Okay, because I want very, very little paint, because I'm just kind of doing a dry brush effect on this. I want it to look like old weathered wood. And that was a lot of black paint right there. Okay, now here is the wooden part of the sign. I think it's looking pretty good. Definitely better than that black plastic did. Alright, so while a little bit of the hazelnut I added back onto the top and some of the thicker spots still needs to dry to get back down to that color, I am going to go ahead and pull out my crimson and we're going to start painting the lettering on this. Right, and again, oops, just using very little of the paint. I'm just going to be using what's in the cap basically. And this I'm going to be painting on a little bit thicker, but it's still going to have that worn look to it. Alright, here we go, our finished wood sign. It definitely looks a lot better than that cheap plastic. I like the fact that I'll be able to hang it from the door, and I just managed to cut off these little pieces here at the bottom, so it absolutely looks like it should be wall hanging or something posted on a door. The last thing I'm going to do in order to hang it, when I flip it over on the back, we are just going to have to attach something for it to hang from. So let's go ahead and do that. Now, in order to hang this, what I'm going to do is simply take a chenille stem that I had cut in half. I'm going to bend both ends up like this a little bit, and then I'm going to just curve it around so that we have something that looks like that. And then we are simply going to use quite a bit of hot glue, and we are going to hot glue this into these two areas right now, right where these two plastic tabs stick down. And we're going to use quite a bit of hot glue. We want to be sure we get it in there pretty well. But this is a very lightweight sign, so you don't really have to worry about it going anywhere. And I'm just going to turn that, I had my glue gun on low temp. I'm going to turn that up to high temp and let it sit for just a minute because that glue is just not wanting to come out. And I do love the dual temp glue guns. I don't have to make a choice which glue gun I want to pull out and use. Okay. And let's just get some hot glue going around this. Okay, now we're just going to let that set and cool down. And then once that's done, it will be ready to hang.
If you like this video, please be sure to hit that like button as well as share it with friends who may also enjoy it. If you like my channel, hit that subscribe button, and when the notification bell pops up, be sure you hit that as well so you never miss a video. And, as always, have a great day and stay crafty.